Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. So if you haven't already, I would be happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. This video is part of the collaboration with Chic for Cheap, and this is hosted by Christi from Christi Creates, and her co-host for this month is Annalee Ashby DIY. So if you haven't already been to their channels, I'll leave the link of their channels in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. So after you have viewed mine, please do click on the next video in the playlist. You would not be disappointed. You'll get so many beautiful videos with great inspirations. So today I'm going to do a couple of projects. So let's get started. So this is the final result of all the three projects that I was planning to do in this video. And let me start with this cute bunny. And this is a Pottery Barn inspired bunny which is holding a bucket of flowers. And like you saw the process, I galvanized one of the Dollar Tree buckets and I decorated it with chalk paint, writing fresh on top of it, and I just twined the top of the bucket and I filled some baby breath in there, just like a sprouting kind of an effect that I want to give there. And this metallic bunny, I just, gave like gray paint here and there, like a dry brushed him. So he looks like more galvanized. So he already had the bow when he came from that board. So that's a decor I wanted to recreate. And the next one is this egg carton. As you saw the process, I just stuck, the pink color tissue paper on top of it, and I just poked holes. And I had some jingle blocks in the back, and I laid one of the LED candle glowing, and in the dark it looks really pretty, and it's since bright you cannot really clearly see that flickering of the candle in the back. Yeah, so that's the effect that I want to give. And then I recreated this also from Pottery Barn. And the next one is this cute metal candle holder, and this is inspired from Kirklands, and I just created from the champagne glass. I reverted it, and then I just painted gray, and then I just gave like a brown paint here and there to just give like a rusted metallic look to it. And I just topped it up with one of the coasters, and I painted wood color around it, and it had like a cork top on top of it. And these are like high-end Pottery Barn and Kirkland items, so I recreated them with Dollar Tree items, and my cost for all of these together would be, I would say, like $5. So that is nothing and compared to their prices. So I'm really happy how these turned out. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.